When will books die out? Never? And this is something that I tell my students all the time, that you have to have a printed copy. Why? Because you're holding it in your hand. It's yours when you read it. You're holding this material, you read it. You connect to the material personally. You can't connect to a computer screen. It's a spiritual root. What is a spiritual root? It means that computers, screens, or tablets don't exist in nature, but a book does. It's something that man made out of nature in order to preserve his knowledge, and he writes it on nature. So man who evolved created an eBook. It's a form that a person can't connect with. He feels no connection to his computer screen. When I turn it off, that's it. I detach from it. But it's only how you experience it. The experience is very important to a person because it's related to his spiritual root. In my spiritual root and in the spiritual root of the book, there is something that ties us together. Nothing ties me to a tablet. Nothing connects me to it. I read something on the computer. For me, it's just knowledge. I read it from a book. For me, it's a sensation. It's the same text my teacher wrote. It's different if I read it from a computer or from a printed book. It's different. There's an author. There is a story, and that he displays it in the book. And through the book, it goes to whoever reads it, and he receives the author's knowledge, and he becomes a part of the author himself. He passes his story, the roots of his soul, onto the reader. That's beautiful. And you're talking now, and someone will watch this video in 100 years. It's the same like with the book. It's the same. Time has no control over our connection. So whoever watches this video and will be moved by what you're saying in 100 years from now, by this I help in the elevation of his soul, and he helps me in the elevation of my soul. This is how we're connected.